You know what I've been really excited about with the Pro-Truth Pledge project? That we've been getting so many people to sign the pledge in order to fight lies in politics and protect the truth, in order to help our democracy succeed. And something that has been really great is people have been tabling for the Pro-Truth Pledge. For example, Ken Whitaker in Salt Lake City, our Utah organizer, has just tabled at the Spanish Heritage Festival there. And your generosity enabled that, because the $100 that the booth cost was paid by Intentional Insights, the nonprofit running the Pro-Truth project through your donations. And you know what? A donor has just stepped forward to offer up to a $5,000 double match from September 29th through October 17th. So if you give $20 per month, he will double that to $40 per month. Not $240 for 12 months, but $480 to fight lies and protect the truth and enable Ken Whitaker and dozens of people like him to gather signatures. So go to intentionalinsights.org now and click on the donate button. Your donation is tax deductible and it will help save our democracy from the scourge of lies and deceptions. Please do it now.